One of my torture test left. This is
Now
10.5.
turn left onto North Portage Path.
This is 10.5 assertive, so we're going to stop way back, and the car generally starts to creep, and then it starts to go for it like it's going to make a go. And I see a truck coming through the branches, which I don't know if the car could have seen that, but it started to go for it. Let's back up and try this again. Attempt number 2 to make a left. This is a really tricky, hard left to make. Now I can see through the tree a little bit if a car's coming or not, but when the foliage is here, the car's too far in the middle. I don't see any cars left or right. I'm gonna let it go. It made it that time. Oh, jerky there. All right, so let's go back around one more time.
Now turn left onto North Portage Path.
It's going to stop way short. I see a car coming through the trees. It's stopping. I don't see how I can see. It's going to the right. There's another truck coming there. I'm just not convinced that the car can see that far. Let's look at how Beta has always made lefts coming out of my neighborhood. You'll notice that it creeps very slowly and it's looking left and right. There's going to be a car on the right here, but after that it's totally clear, nothing to the left. In contrast to how the car always acts coming out of that torture test left, where it just goes for it. There's a sign right in the middle of our screen about now. I've noticed that's when the car decides it wants to take off and just go for it. Especially when and it even did this in the summer when there's much more foliage and you're totally blocked. So the car wants to take off here. And now I'm going to fast forward a little bit through the frames. And we'll see a car is going to come right over come right there. Now, I can tell you that when I drive this manually, in order to be really safe, because this is a hill and it's coming around a little bit of a corner, is I try and I creep up to probably about here as a human. My head is probably in line with that grass strip off of the road. So Beta's going to have to get this far out to be really safe and make this unprotected left turn.